Guys, so today we got Taba squishies.
Mine is fake.
Yeah, look, this Santa Claus, and I love it.
Yours is not fake. Mine didn't now break.
Yeah, hers will break easily. Look at my sisters.
I have more softer than her.
One is stuck over there, but I don't know.
Go get it.
Look, it's right there. I know.
You like this. You go backwards and throw it.
Yeah, I know.
There.
Okay, stop squishing it. Show them.
No.
These are the pom-poms. They come with this.
It'll break. I want to break it because it's fake. Hey!
So
this
what?
one is yours.
So,
Hey. Where's the other?
look how much things are on it. Hey, Santa Claus, get in this video.
Huh? Oh.
I know, right? So,
Wait.
what does this mean with water? Huh? And this one is yellow, the mermaid theme. This is, if you can see, Christmas theme.
Who put a mermaid on this?
I don't know. So, what does this mean with water?
Slime.
Okay, so I think we are going to say goodbye. Just kidding. Bye. Bye. Just kidding. Okay, so one time I told my mom, get me a brother, get me a brother. She said no, 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 till she agreed. But I didn't know she will feel sick, so I might have got a little bit angry because I didn't know that. And then she was like, when the baby was going to come, it took her 2 days. Yeah, 2 days.
Yeah.
And then she brought the baby 2 months or anything went by, and then boom,
Can you show them?
she literally got sick. Yeah, got sick. She didn't come for 1 day.
Mama, I'm taking
Like,
these.
bro, stop.
I'm taking
Stop.
those. I'm taking those.
No, give it back. They're mine.
Okay.
I literally got angry. And angry. Yeah. So that's why. I will put these on there. And 3, 2, 1, magic. Boom, shakalaka. I don't know why did I say that. Okay, so she got sick. I cried when she come back. She literally was sick. I might change this, stop it and change it. Okay, when she got sick, I cried 4 hours and maybe I took a nap. And then when it was night, we need to sleep, I cried. My mom was literally too sick. Like, bruh. She got better and better and better. So that was a happy ending. Goodbye, guys. See you on the slime video. Woo. Bye. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and like and comment. Please. Love you guys. Love.